Hi everyone, welcome back again with another lead code question, which is Roman to integer. There is another question integer to Roman which comes under the medium level category. This is easy level category. But before doing that question, we need to do this question. So here, before getting into any coding question, we need to understand what the question is, what are the requirements, what are the things needed for the question, so which gives an idea how to do the question, which gives a thought process for that. So let's dive into the question. Here you can see, right, they have given to convert a Roman to integer. So we all know how to convert Roman values to integer. If not, these are the symbols. In Roman, these are the symbols are used for any integer representation. And one more thing, they write largest to smallest from left to right, not like in regular English one. So they generally write, right here you can see the I is nothing but represented as value 1. So to represent 1 as we use 1 I, for 2 2 I's, 3 3 I's. But coming to the 4, we generally use the next value, uh, here the character v. So we use the next value and we use the variable I also in order to subtract that value. You can see here, right, 4 is written as iv. IV is nothing but value 5 minus 1. So it applies for the variable integer 9 also. Here x is represented as 10. So in order to get the value of 9, we use ix, which is nothing but 10. So let me write these variables so I can explain here. IV, ix, and what another variable, xl. L is nothing but 50 and x is nothing but 10. So I think from here you can got it right. 50 minus 10, which is nothing but 40. That's it. And so in order to represent this value, we need to convert these. They will give us a string, so we need to get the value from that. So here you can just see, right. Let me explain with the example so you can get a deeper intuition for that. Here you can see, right, S is equals to 3. So how can we convert I, which is nothing but 1, uh, plus I, which is nothing but 1, again plus 1. 3 plus 1, yeah, 3 ones plus is nothing but 3. Coming here L value is 50, V value is 5, and 3I is nothing but 3. We previously calculated, which is nothing but 50 plus 5 plus 3. I hope you got this. So let me come here again. Here you can see, right, which is nothing but 1000. M is nothing but 1000 here. And here C plus, let me write here, 1000 plus. Here I got the value of C. Okay. C is nothing but 100. Here again I got the value of M, which is nothing but 1000, which is not correct, right? Means according to Roman, which is not correct. So if you ever got the number variable which is nothing but less than this value, if the encount, what you would say, if you got this kind of values which is nothing but, you need to subtract from this, which is nothing like 1000 plus minus 100. That is the case you have seen previously here also, right? And cm and xc, here again xc. I think from this only we may got an intuition that in order to solve this one, we need to travel each character. If we found a character specifically, these kind of characters, we need to check what are the next. These kind of characters are nothing but X, C, D. You need to check what are the another next character also. So if the next character is greater than from that character, then absolutely subtract from the answer. Otherwise you can add that value. Let me write that code. You can one more thing. If you write a hard code that if I got a value of x, if the next value is greater L, C or something, you just subtract. Otherwise, if I got a value of I, you need to subtract. Otherwise, you can clearly, you may got a intuition how to do this problem, which is nothing but if you got a value, any value, if the next value is greater than to that value, then simply subtract that value. That's the main intuition, and you need to travel each character of the string. Let me write that code so you may get an idea. Oops, sorry. So here I used a map, which is in C++ we use map, in Python we use dictionary to get these structure values. What you say, key value pairs. So which you can easily access these things. I use I'm initiating an answer as a variable which stores the value, which is nothing but answer. So caps lock is on. So I need to have a for int I equal to 0, I less than n is nothing but size of the string, which I initiated above. Again, if that's the condition, if I'm getting a value s of I, which is less than s of I, what s of I? No, s of I plus 1. Then simply you need to what? Subtract that value m of s of I. Otherwise, you add that value also plus m of s of I, m of s. Yeah. So if you get any here, simply I'm doing that. If I'm getting the value, so if I'm getting any value, means if I'm checking that, okay, 3, I got a value I, so which is nothing but 1. If the next value is less than, greater than that 1, I'm just simply, what would say, subtracting from that value. In Roman, if you get anything, any value which is less than next variable, next character, then you need simply negative subtract it. That's the whole logic here. So that's the solution, guys. If you have any doubts or any suggestions regarding how explaining about anything, please use the comment section in the YouTube. So I always there to reply. And if you face any questions regarding anything, regarding programming or something, use the comment section. Yeah. Thank you, and follow this channel for more interesting videos like this. Bye. See you again with the another question.